In the fiercely competitive landscape of digital advertising in 2026, the auction floor has become an arena dictated by advanced automation and machine learning. No longer do human hands calibrate bids in real time. Instead, strategic mastery arises from our capacity to instruct, feed, and trust the black box, the opaque, ever-evolving algorithms that control bid strategy in milliseconds. Understanding target ROAS, TROAS, is essential for marketers seeking not just conversions, but profitable conversions. Imagine an e-commerce business where products range from low-margin essentials to high-ticket luxury items. A one-size-fits-all bidding strategy fails here. Target ROAS allows the machine to individually assess each auction participant's latent value based on thousands of signals. For example, an algorithm may detect a repeat browser on a flagship smartphone. It calculates, by analyzing device type, past buying behavior, session duration, and even cross-device journeys, that this user is likely to make a significant purchase. The system automatically bids more aggressively, prioritizing valuable users, the so-called whales, while throttling bids for users projected to yield smaller returns. This selective aggression is invisible in manual workflows, but essential for auction dominance. Where volume outweighs per conversion value, target CPA, TCPA, becomes the weapon of choice. Take, for instance, a subscription service focused on scaling its customer base at a predictable acquisition cost. The algorithm clusters successful converters and searches the digital landscape for users with matching behavioral and demographic traits. But a common pitfall emerges. Setting the target CPA too low stars the AI's learning process. Now, imagine the system, constrained by an unrealistic cost ceiling, exits high-potential auctions, gradually capping growth and surrendering impressions to competitors less conservative. Experimentation and patience with CPA thresholds ensure the algorithm has sufficient room to explore the auction universe and deliver stable, scalable results. Critical to these strategies is the behind-the-scenes realism of real-time bidding, RTB. In every auction, the system weighs context that would overwhelm an army of human operators. Consider a commuter searching for travel deals during a Monday morning commute versus the same search at midnight from home. The system perceives subtle differences: urgency, device used, geolocation, and even local weather conditions. Suddenly, the ad impression is recalibrated before a human could even open their browser. The strategist's art pivots from micromanagement to goal setting, defining what matters most and letting the machine orchestrate execution. The initial deployment of these strategies requires enduring the learning phase. Here, the system ingests data, looks for patterns, and tests various user segments. Just as a chef does not alter a recipe after every stir, the savvy marketer resists the urge to tweak variables during this phase. The learning window should be undisturbed until the system reaches a statistically significant volume, typically at least 30 to 50 conversions in 30 days. Insufficient data or constant fiddling trap the system in perpetual indecision, and performance oscillates unpredictably. However, mastery in 2026 auctions means more than just harnessing advanced bidding. It demands counterintelligence. In increasingly saturated ad environments, competitors deploy bid shading tactics, attempting to win on the cheap by minimizing what they pay per impression. The countermove is to differentiate signal quality. Here lies the power of first-party data. Brands that upload robust, proprietary customer insights, such as transaction histories, loyalty status, or advanced segmentation markers, provide their algorithms with unique intelligence. Even as market-wide bids converge, their own smart bidding systems become sharper, spending more efficiently and outmaneuvering rivals reliant on generic signals.